General. Tell about them girls there, you know. That's top dog, you know.
You?
You must girl me a brother, so.
That wicked your mouth, bad.
Yo, it's a brown in there coming. Forward, yeah. I try thinking and see what I go on, cause yo, she give me some eyes which day there. But I'm just going like everything is smooth because I don't know I go already, you know? Don't want a one girl. I can't do the one girl thing, brother.
Yo, you have to have one woman, bro. Cause what you know? You know, make no sense. You know, run up and down with them bag of girl there.
Yeah, but I try things still with a brown in there, cause long time she a crazy. Rough.
Rough, man.
Yeah, man, she a pretty brother.
Come on, say you're right.
Let's check it, bro, and that's what I want. So, you're right. Big up yourself, you know.
You see, I'm a big one, man.
Yeah, man, a big one. Cougar, Ruga. It is what it is, brother. Bless up yourself. Bless up wife for me, you know. Alright. See inside. Alright, man has a respect. Yeah, you don't know, so without Rasta, I can't nice, you know what I mean? Come out of son, we ever talk, man. It's a long time I see him. You know what I mean? Woy, yes, Father. Hallelujah.
Speak your mind.
Speak my mind was stuck on you, you know, because I tell you, say, yo, a long time I think about you, you know. I just have to keep it cool, because I don't want to feel like I don't rush thing. A woman like you don't need no jump up and all them something. You need somebody to, you know, spend some time, you know what I mean, focus on you, make sure everything works smooth, you know what I mean. Because you look, to a Rasta, you don't share the same religion already, so that's our first step, you know what I mean. So, only thing we have to do is just maintain that vibe there and make it happen. But it's up to you still. I'm not rush you, I'm not force you. I'm just happy. You know what I mean?
You look like you have something to say and you don't want to say it. Just speak your mind, man. Now listen.
Need
Get
it.
to the point.
I
Yeah?
need it in my life. I'll tell you something, man. You're relevant. You're relevant to me. You're a big man and you know how to do the things then. You've been there, done that, and I know say at this point you don't want nobody to play with you. You know what I mean? But me want you. You need it. You understand? So I don't know if we can make it work and we want it to work. So just make me know if you know what I mean, we can get started. I'm gonna take care of it. I'm talk about take care, I'm not talk about no half thing.
Hold on right there, sir. Hold on there. You really think some would want you?
Me?
For do what?
Last to get a proper massage. You know, when last man they rub on your body. You know what I mean? Caress you and make sure say, yo, you would penetrate straight. When last that happened to you?
You forgot something.
I'm forget.
Me and you are friends long time. Me not expect this from you. You don't know so me no want you. If me did want you, me would have a long time. You forgot to me, you woman a friend. And you come and look me. Man like you, me not do it. Cause you seem like how you go diss up your woman for me and me your friend. I understand you start talking about massage and one if or something. You explain my problem them to you? Don't bother with it.
So you really have put it?
Come on, me no want you, me your friend. We are friends.
You both can excel to the next step.
Come on!
No, me don't want you.
You sure?
Me sure say me no want you. We are just friends.
Everything good still. You done say what you say, I'm done say what I say, you just now work out. Everything good. Yes, sir?
My body you want to cut
No,
off.
man, no that man. Everything good, man.
Stay with your woman.
Yeah, man.
Too much woman.
Holy man will lie.
Keep your things in your pants. And if you learn to satisfy, that me not like we do.
On here, yeah. Mama.
Afternoon.
How you doing? Everything alright?
Yeah, man.
Thank God, I say me just a pass and I see him half a turn back. You know what I mean? Something that strike me eye, you know? So, something I buy in that place, huh?
Not really, but you can buy me so much.
What you say? Service! That's a lady come like she hot like a fire. What about mama? Everything alright?
No.
Alright.
No.
Come back to water.
Hot or cold?
Hot.
So tell me something a minute more. You know, me talk to you outside no more. You know what I mean?
Okay.
I'm nice to get to know you a little bit. Don't forget the water, mama.
Oh.
What do you mean?
Name Apple.
Apple your name?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Apple to apple, plum to plum. Hi! I'm here still, you know, I see how me can't tell me here for you and thing. You know what I mean? Like your strong body and all these things. You know if something can work for you guys. You know, means that in a brother can take care of you.
So what on this? So true you buy me one bottle of water down and shop a while ago. You feel like say you can look me?
Yeah man, you are going. This is start from you know. You know what I mean? We have to start at some place. We can't just get up and then wait till it.
But me have my man.
You have your man?
Yeah.
Me have my woman too. For some of the case so we can work out something.
You know say you're a dirty man. You have your woman and me I tell you say me have my man. And you still a dry it out, still a look me. As a matter of fact, hold back your water, I'm not thirsty. It's a dirty man, you. You just want to jump in on my panties, so one bucket of water make all of this. As a matter of fact, go on home to your woman, because I go home to my man.
You alright, too? Cause you look good, everything alright. Drink my water. Me thirsty. You not thirsty?
Yeah, you want to, but one home to your woman.
Come good. I'm going to try food. It's alright. Wow, go on, General.
There, man.
Thing alright?
There.
Yo, you see me, you have to try to be a girl it's like me. Yo, you see a girl like? Yeah man, see me girl like brother. If the girl is like me, you know.
Get it. What you say? Alright, my boss.
You know what I mean? Because look more, you know. And she gonna link up and we are gonna go out and have a nice time, you know what I mean? Yo, you see earlier on, you have a brownie down so. And me a sort out and thing. Yeah man, my girl them this. Stand lane and my lane, brother. You have to be girls like me. Top man will be in the area, general. See? Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. Alright. See, sir? What do you mean? Fuck me down. Hold them.
Boy, girl clown can't tap make. You ever have icky pan you and make one of your woman them bright needed? You're not so tough.
I did can you come?
Hey, so here I go on. Bop, bop.
Come on, the fuck around on, come on. Chat about the buff.
My girl, that. I look come on, we have a link up. There you go. You know what I mean? Go eat some, you know what I mean? Or, no, take a eat us. We can work out something.
That can't work out.
Come on.
They can't just come by me one bottle of water and then want to look me.
No matter that, man. You are.
Girl, I can't lie me for one man. No time I don't have a lonely girl I want one man. I'm sure I don't know anything already. So I can link you.
Wait there. Pinky, where you said to me a while ago? You are one man?
So I know somebody.
Oh, you're so sassy. Calm down, man. Don't get me wrong. Not that the way they mean. But anyways, how comes you lonely? Talk to me.
Girl, I'm lonely. 3 months now, I don't get one start out in a girl.
Alright.
I'm in a yard now. I feel like I want something, girl. Right now, I have a priest and I want to do that one vibrator.
No, girl. We just never know say you come down. Isn't me? But nobody feel shame. Isn't me? Cause right now, even though me have that man up so, I still have me thinking in my draw. But I believe it. Anyways, so why you tired?
Girl, I like the man them with Sally Shampoo and Maga. You know, Maga man have a buzz.
But let me ask you a question, Pinky. You're slim and all, and you say you want a slim man, don't? I wonder if you know a slim man have the thing, the real tall thing, rifle. You can't manage that?
I say I want a Maga man with the buzz, girl. You know, hear me? I say, I'm like in the ear me, I say, girl. I must can manage if me I tell you what I want, the type what I want. I want the Maga man with the buzz. The buzz. Girl? Just line you up, line you up.
Me no want go give you maga man and then you end up that's you reach a hospital, you know. You sure you can manage?
Girl, if you give me man, you give me man.
You like that one?
The one, yeah. Yeah, girl, the one have a buzz. Jesus, quite nice. Give me phone, give me phone. Let me see him.
Anyways, you want me call him or something? Mama! No man, you have to give me phone. You want me call him or
Yes,
something?
right now. Call him right now.
Mama, you sure you can manage? I don't want normal piece of boy this end.
If you give me man, you give me man. Call
Me
him.
just want your girl. Me don't want your say. Me go. Yes.
Are you want him man or me? Call him man.
Yo, Kelani. Me there you gate, you know. Me see all of miss call them, man. Me busy on the road today.
How are you out of gate? Alright, may I come? People are calling for your phone and can't get you.
Yo, me busy on the road the whole day today. Yo, but I want to go.
My youth, come on for a bite, I go over there to go chat.
Alright, no problem.
So you see, calling me the caller today?
Mm.
Because my friend come link me and saying only he want a man. But he be specific with the type of man we want. You understand? A slim man will have a buzz. You understand?
But me not slim.
Well, the picture I share with you, she okay with it. So the only thing right now is to make sure so you can work your thing. You understand?
I know you see a lot right now. Me see one picture with her now. Me see what she look like.
Jaja, believe it. Me left the phone on here. But anyways, me WhatsApp him if in the picture to you and make you see. But remember, I don't come be specific with how you want him to come not to one Ontario out here. Make sure so you can do your thing good enough. You understand?
Yo, don't worry yourself, man. I know if you deal with me thing. Just WhatsApp me picture, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Alright. Yeah. New girl, I hope I want thick as dream, got the big out and chest push.
So I care all of the money when we did owe you.
You lucky say you bring them still, you know. Because I just there send them come mess you up, you know. But anyways, how much further can have the next operation?
Don't worry yourself, man. We have as much. I just want a rough little patch when they go through. But everything's sorted out.
You can't go on now.
Everything that bossy.
Everything ready for next week?
Yeah, man. Look for more.
We have some information for you, me know you are going to like. You remember girl Pinky? Me said she did from Magdalene.
You serious?
Yeah.
Where you get the information from?
A long story. Right now, me in a hurry, so me have to go. When me reach home, me call.
so sorry. Yeah, I know I'm interrupt on the movie and I enjoy myself, so no seat. I never have no choice. I had to stop there because I have to click like people so I can do full length movies. It really works. And if it's your first time over here, definitely subscribe. But I not only cut enough movie, short film, short to tell enough to subscribe and like, but I got end it from like a high note. Now, you guys are no stranger to this lady here, Miss Everly. Yeah, she have one of them bad poems before again. And this one is particularly different, in my humble opinion, because of the title alone. So me not hear the words they meant, you want to hear it. You want to tell them the title? You tell them, What's the title?
Regrets of the Side Piece.
No, regrets of the... I never that the name that you tell me first.
What me tell you?
They tell me the name Side Chick. Not regret of it. Anyways, I want to hear it. I want to hear it.
You're going to hear one little piece.
Alright, give it to us. Oh, hold on. It's higher for break on again. I am very much aware of the Peony Wall them.
Oh, yeah,
because we hear them every day. I just try one nice segue if you tell us talk loud, not the poem and thing. I didn't sit near my... Yeah, but me hear them guys. We can't get rid of them. I said go. Poem time.
No liberty comes with being on the side. If he's your significant other, what is the sense in having to hide?
Come on. Yeah, go on good. Here I am. Start again.
Whew, this is so funny. Anyway, no liberty comes with being on the side. If he's your significant other, what is the sense in having to hide? If he belongs to you, then why can't you call him at nights? He's the love of your life, but still goes home to be with his wife. Because a side piece needs to show respect. You forget about how you feel. You need to pause and check. Having respect for the wife and none for yourself. Showing love to a man who will never leave his lady no matter what product stands on the shelf. Held hostage by love that won't allow you to leave. So with no tactics and nothing up your sleeves, you stay committed to a woman's man. Full submission and bending knees. How many times have you felt left out? No one to cuddle with at night? Settling for loneliness and giving away your rights. From the day you decided to be with him, you made your choice. It's sad that you have to stand aside and watch love drown out your voice. Before you knew he had a life. Still, you stay sitting in the corner crying, falling for a man who you knew already had a wife. Manipulated by his promises and comforted by the honey that falls from his lips. Constantly falling for his tricks. Men have a way of telling you that home isn't comfortable. He will try to point all the bad at home that is happening. And in reality, there is really nothing at home that he's lacking. While some men does this as an escape. But after being his side chick for 10 years, why do you still wait? So here we are, yet with another scar. Stuck in the middle of, should I love him and forget her? Or must I leave before becoming the home wrecker? The choice is yours. If you want to leave or stay. I know love has a way of playing Simon Say. I just want you to know, in the end, you only got you, my friend. So please, don't you ever think you can't fall in love again.
Hot cleat! Yo, me not tough so, me used to write, like, it's a poem, me not have no more information for it, me not even go ask where it come from, because that, the poem not spell nothing for the male species, so I'm kind of ashamed now, but, I don't know if you want a little bit of what inspired that poem, I don't know if... Alright, no, shush. Alright. Guys, so, bad poem by Everly, side check it name. You have Instagram, one to your YouTube. We don't want to hear some of them something there. On YouTube. Tell all of them. YouTube, please.
It's Poems by Everly Graham.
So, Poems by Everly.
Both on Instagram and YouTube.
And YouTube. A poem the heavy a while ago, man.
Yeah, I know.
Me not even treat woman, so I'm feel what kind of. But yeah.
Shout out to my boyfriend.
Poems by Everly. Go and check it out on YouTube. And yeah, hit that so guys. Remember to like and subscribe if you just a tune in. Someone can buy me some time for can make some full length movies. You know what I see full length Hollywood looking Jamaican kind of movies like one just watch a while ago. Yeah man, like, subscribe, little more. I shall see you very, very soon.
So let's see how going on now. Ready, you know?
Ready, you know, BS, but me not have no money, you know. Me can't owe you till next week. You know, trust.
What? You not have money? Broke girl broke my vibes, you know. You know what I mean? Yo, enough things, enough expenses going on this side, you know. It's the body I have to go to the gym every weekend and go work out and keep up. You know what I mean? I have to drink up my roots and my tonic. I think the engine easy for run. Yeah, come talk about money if me not trust till next week. But you are going with? You better check yourself, you answer.
This me have to hope about this in the taxi here. This can't work.
What? 5 bills, 5 minutes? Something wrong with you, you know. Take it on my face. Something wrong with you. Something not going on with you. You really come here, son, and you know say you want your sort out. Saying, and you really are come with 5 bills.
Come no man, 5 minutes at $500. Alright, let me feel it.
Step away, man. Back up, man. We are going away. You can't go on a business, you know.
5 minutes, $500.
$500, no, that can't work out. 5 bills? You really left here with 5 bills?
Alright, then make me feel it, $500.
You think I bend down this, you think I feel it. If you don't have your money, you can't speak. Don't tell the broke girl broke my vibes. You know what I mean? So guess what you have to do? You don't have no money, you don't have no talk. So better you step away, son. Come on, depend where you depend. A joke business, you depend. You really left, look at night, full moon. If the moon not even full, look up in the sky. And you left your yard with no money. And you want? No, son. Check yourself, man. Check yourself. I bet some face you some scam you go. You have money for you. I bet you have money.
Stop going, son, man. All the while I'm coming with that money and in 1 little time I don't have no money. You don't want to give me. Stop going, son, man.
JPS now say wait, you know. When you go down a utility place to go pay your bill, them tell you say, alright, you can't owe till next week, That work, yes, mama. So you go and take your 5 bills and take your time go here. Me not depend where you depend. A business me a deal with, so you can't go and cool out.
Stop going, son, man. A farm you come from, you're going to make me come so far for nothing at all. Just give me something, man. Just one little bit, please. We will want this out there.
So when you ride me for free,
me will give you
who
some
will
money
get the
when
benefit?
you come back. Just take it 5 and me will give you some money when you come back.
Me can't wear my sachin?
Hey boy, don't make me hold it and I'll take it, you know.
Wait, easy. You can't wear my sachin? You can't wear my sachin? When you go in my sachin shop and you say, wow, what am I say to you? Hey, I go. No sense. So you hold it and cool out. I don't understand the 5 bills thing and I go like you want to feel it. For free. Hey, step away from the vehicle. No money, no love. As I said, broke girl broke my vibe. You know how expensive it is to keep this? Do me here and all these things? You go to gym and all these things. Take us 5 bills.
Business. Well, go on, baby, I have 10 grand, you know.
10 grand? Alright,
you can go on.
You hold the 5 bills. Come in and talk. There's something wrong with you, bro.
Hold on there. Oh, you come so quick for my 10 grand.
What do you mean?
Yeah, you come too quick for my 10 grand and I feel like I want half of my money back. That was too quick.
Let me tell you, business is business, you know.
Me not get my money's worth.
You don't get your money's worth? Well, you have to just work with that, you know. Because I saw your system work, you know.
First thing first, you know, I have to get back my money, you know. Because number one, you're sitting too little. You come too quick. And you not do it right. Me not ask you just depend. You stop like you're idiot for a long time and not get no.
Wait, what you say a while ago? Eh? You ever see one truck jump in one ocean? Eh? You ever see truck jump in an ocean? Eh? I'm gonna tell you something. Business is business, you know. If you come on the road and me I help you out, if sort you out, and me I fear go through all manner of evil, because I don't understand. You think money is all? You know what I mean? You give me 10 grand, you try to give me 100 grand. Your 10 grand done, your money done. You know what I mean? You should have come.
My money done. I say you can't click you can tell me about truck and swim in the ocean. And you hood small, you hood little. You little talawa. But my something big. If I never one thing, I just tell you something bad in the night. But you see, through a 10 grand, I just make it go on, because your cock small and I walk and tell everybody. Remember me know you, know? Me I go tell all like
Thanks, your dream, your dream. What kind of life that? No, sir. I'm like a murder. If I call my virgin right now, I see what kind of number that in cash pad. Crosses. Yeah! Yeah! No, sir. No, sir. Hello?
Hey, what go on, brother? Everything good?
Brother, if I tell you what kind of dream. Yo, I say me have a dream, brother. Yo, it's rough. I'm glad to see a dream, my dream. In a cash pot.
One take care. You know bad girl in you. That's a 21 in you.
But man prostitute. Yeah. I say me have a dream, brother. Yo, it's rough. I'm glad to see a dream, my dream.
As a matter of fact, two of them, you know, one come first and he had no money. You see me? And then one next one come with a 10 grand. And we move with him and then afterwards, she say, he not worth the 10 grand. And we wake up Fridays and chefs, so I say, well, must want cash pot rig this.
Yeah, man. Alright. Bless up. Humble rice. What if I want to really sit?
So man, everything he make bad eye. He couldn't go on out, man. One little time he see him with me make me a problem. Yo, brother, walk on. Walk on. Yeah, brother. Yeah, be a problem, my youth. Yeah? The woman down there be a cuss and I go on the most way. And she knows me nice with her. We just come out there so I can take some cool piece. You want to hear she go on my youth? Eh? And that I go on? So I could have make she miss up herself, so. Eh? She mad? No, you know, brother. True, she see little mark for me there. She go on the most. You don't know, say me a done, brother. We just ease himself sometime, when we come in, we just relax. Right. Differently do. We just see man like you, so you do on the road. Yo, you know what say, a little thing going on, I win a piece of money, yo. And if you tell her, brother, yo, you want a little thing, I really, yo. Now when I'm down, you did the same, yo. So just help yourself, you know. Yeah, man. Man, I respect you, man. Tell her. What else can you do for me? So, but differently, how I go on? As me I say, brother, we know a piece of money, you know, yo. You understand? Licky cash pack, man. Wicked. We're searching for your ball. But watch you know. Tell a story. You know, Kemar. Look at here, boy, from around there, so. Man, call me, yo, and tell me a story about James. The woman, I hold him down, all of them thing there. Yo, them boy they are idiot, man. Yeah. Boy girl I hold him too. I be man right there, them boy the girl. So make him go on. I let him tell. I follow him. Alright. So I just go so bad, man. Rakes up. I give him rakes too, you know. But I don't know what go on for him. But rakes up the same way. I say, alright. Fool people lucky, you know. So I just buy no, but them see it, you can't have money if it's spent. Wait. How are you, youth? What? Well, guess what, no? Glad I catch a rake. Just that. I'm glad. Yeah. But watch you pray now. You know, so I'm not too tired because I have some things to match up. You understand? So, I just a piece of food when they come here. Yeah, man. You understand? Yeah, man. I make a move see way, man. Because I have a little thing to deal with. I make it food. I deal with it. Really, see me, I say? So, I make it move. Alright.
Search for this idiot boy again. I can't bother anyone. I call the boy and I get him. You know, so I call dollars.
Brittany.
Dollars. Might have to come look for him.
Yeah? So, your man there?
Could idiot boy gone about his business. Yeah, might have to come up here and come look for me.
Alright, say no more. I'm going to the store and get a boots and flour.
Alright.
Chop. Are you with this one?
Yeah, man. Did it, man?
I'm there, no man, you know, say I'm supposed to I walk up and down like this. I don't know what they keep. Not check it.
Keep your money.
Yeah.
Keep your money.
It was on the brand new pack, man.
Brand new pack. You need to never let me see you.
Alright, say no more, yeah?
There.
Chop ladder, take care of you, man.
When I'm going good.
You're not going good. When they?
I know we ain't gone.
So I'm going fast. Fast. So,
What that?
I know you call up my name in the community with Kevin. Both me and Kevin in a things.
No, sir, girl, you know, so I'm not do that. Why am I do that? I have enough problems up on my yard with my man. I don't have time for you to walk and talk your business. I don't do that, man.
Remember, say I alone know my business, in a brother. And I like say me I sit down and chat with nobody else. And that's why. I'm here, everybody I chat about Kevin every time I pass. So I wonder why I pray for did send out to nobody and a member or want somebody opinion.
No, sir, you know, so I not do that.
I just want to know, girl. And you know, I just like that. So anyway, I not go to day in a place. You know. People are calling my name all about and I love it.
How are you a plan to go?
You mean? You know, say nothing there as a girl. I can't say yes, so. The man them up here so just corrupt and stay one way. And if you ask them something, or ask them for a favor, even for help and you're dead, brother, you don't know to youth. Them a come go and like say a friend they want to be a woman eater up here, so. Can't stay here, so, brother. But they want me mad out.
I true, you know, girl, because even if my man up on me yard, he come like say if me not give him nothing, it's a problem. Every minute he just done in my skin, he want. He come like say he can't satisfy all in all night. Me I wonder if a motor work this a man here. Every minute he want. 5 minutes after we done, he want again. And if me not give him, a problem.
I don't know how you deal with him. I know say your man and everything, but I tell you nothing if pray your man or nothing, you know. But I don't trust him. He come like say every woman he see want, brother. I don't know if you see still, you know. I don't tell you nothing for go advertise and for go beat up on your man up there. But take a note of your man. Every girl him see want. And I see that about him.
Boy, that's a film business. I can't go up before you start call off my name. You're some good willing. Later, take care of yourself.
Yeah, man. And what must there again?
Yo, babes, ready again, you know. Babes. 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 How are you doing? So you ready for round 2?
Again, warm to yourself. Let's just give yourself out. I want to feel your body, so I'm tired, man. I'm tired.
What do you mean say you're tired? I'm Michelin a ball, so I'm tired, you know. I'm not tired. Just babes. I could do it again, man. I'm not, man. When you good, you good, man.
No, I'm tired, man. You know, say a parent should not pay me because every minute me I walk out my body. I'm not even have no little money.
I think so in a relationship. Everything in the house, me take care, right, you know. And I like say, if you want clothes, me not buy. If you hear want do, me not do it. So you mean say me should not give you money? So hold on, what you try to tell me, say? I buy sex from you?
I not sell me, I sell. But then I get nothing in a life for free. Every minute you just under my skin. Me can't even count how much time last night you wake me up.
Everything there, I take care of. If you want food, you get food. If you want clothes, you get clothes. You hear one do, me do you hear. So why problem? No, there shouldn't be no issue. You know, see you kill my vibes. You kill my vibe. Not to feel like I want nothing again. You know, see a woman like you with them type of behavior, make man go road. You know, forget it.
You see me and the man in our work, you now go walk. Let me speak.
Yo, what different to do? I'm brown girl, see? But the phone just nice so. One brown girl named Kira, see? She live around here, so you know about her? Because I guess I know, based on the facts I'm hearing, you know, I think I run out that area she live in, you know what I mean? But more I know if you know about her. Yo, if you think turn up with her.
Yeah, man, I down the road. She have a man still, you know. But me know how your thing come down. You know business about that. But, you know, what me want to ask you now, what make you interested in that, the freaky girl, eh? Why?
What do you mean? Freaky? Here I go still. They say my thing said different still, you know. Because if she want to do the thing to me, fear choice that. You know what I mean? I don't do that to her because you know my thing set already. I love it. You know what I mean? Have some fun. And if she want to have fun, we have fun with limits. But guess what? I go on. We say, don't so she live. Yo, a picture. I'll show you right now. See? You think a joke, I mean, you identify and make sure say she you talk about it.
She see one man. Alright, don't listen she live, man. She see one is original. Alright, don't listen she live, man. We know you get her now. You see one, I will get her, man. The skill like that, man. So anyway, I have a run still, you know, so we link up. I remember, she freaky.
Popeyes. Yeah. You good? Yeah, man, me just run come in and town come grab something fast to eat. Oh. A long time I see you need you good though. Yeah, man, we good. You sure? Yeah, man. You look good. Fat. Thanks. Hey, good. Yeah, man, we good. You know, see, my boyfriend me away on him gone a machine, so I just grab something to eat same time, you know? Wow, the right thing, girl. Yeah. Step up. Alright. Alright. Yeah.
I'm big if I buy some Popeyes to me, but let me tell you, sir, I might find a girl, man. In the meantime, one or two. That piece of longy man, chop on pants, yo. Rough. I want to be old girl that man. Yes, she's here man. Apple. Check her so man. Apple. Yo.
Wow, public.
Apple wagwan. See if I run this and I said to myself, say if I really you, I can't believe say you, cause yo. It's a good feeling to see you. Long time no see you still, you know what I mean? But still let me want to know say, you know, we can link up back cause yo.
Why you not changing, you know? You stay same. If you ask me how I do or not, you just want to link up back. Any woman get them, I'm sorry for them, you know?
Stop going some man. You're going again like when, you know, I get like a trouble, you know what I mean? Cause me always do a thing, you know. You don't know a thing, but.
So what go on? What know what you do down here?
You me see, you know, I'm really, yo, I miss you, I don't lie. You know what I mean? I go straight to it. I don't go around the bush and make you feel like some more, you know, you know, Cinderella story and all these things. But you me want right now. See me in town, yeah? You me want to know?
Some of them, man, listen. Right now, I have to go home to my boyfriend. And if you understand, so this is not going to work out. You still not change. You're still a drunk girl. You see?
Can't believe, hey, let me even get a number. I want a number. I can call you.
Public later, me I come go my yard, yeah.
I can't go in my machine here, because or something I can't even work over there. It's alright. Rough.
People don't give up nothing in this, so.
One girl that looks sexy tonight. One of them can't do it tonight. More of them can't get home me tonight.
Watch ya. My you leave me alone, my boyfriend a police.
What I mean if a man a police? You don't have to tell him. Me not have to know.
You know, hear me some man a police. As a matter of fact, in the town right now.
Just because you look so good, you behave so. Like how you behave. Sure you look so good and sexy and round. You behave so. And like when my man tell you say you look good. You think good still.
You still look very familiar. Look like somebody who needs to be a part of my life, you know what I mean? Wow, but tell me something. Are you from around here?
Then I owe your mouth sweet, so sir. You caught my attention still. Yes, I'm from around here.
That's so nice, you know what I mean? Because right now, I tell you, it's a blessing right now just to see you, and I really want to get to know you the right way, you know what I mean? Because a girl looking like you, my size, you know what I mean? Like I eat some strong food, you know what I mean? Yeah, heavy. Hey, but seriously though, you strike me as my type of girl, and a girl like you, you know, I would really want it to be a part of my life. My name is Kima. What's your name, baby girl?
Yeah, nice to meet you too. My name is Ashley. And that not sound bad, because I'm single already for mingle. I mean, like, we don't have nobody. That not sound bad. Can't worry. Can't see where we can go.
Yeah, man, that me I talk about this. Right, that's what they say thing for you. Because you're my type of girl, and guess what, I'm single too, you know. Nothing I go on a certain level, because I wait for you. You miss out on my thing. So guess what I go on now? My number, you have to get it. Your number, me have to get it. Because we have to do one thing. Alright?
Well, alright.
Watch ya.
You don't have to go on so.
You are going now. I don't live too far from here, so, you know what I mean? And when I really want to, you know, introduce you to my place, because a girl like you, a queen like you, I need to, you know, come know my place and you know, all these things. You know, so I don't know if we can link up like us. And later on, and we just, you know, get certain things started out, you know what I mean? So tell me what you think.
You know, I don't live too far from the place either. I live right down there, so. But you sound like a really nice guy. Like them kind of guy the way not to treat ladies bad and stuff. So like how you don't live far and me don't live far from the town. We can just go grab a drink or something because I'm not really ready.
Hey, as a matter of fact, I know a nice place, you know, I know a spot where I fit me and you know what I mean? Set them nice, like a mood, you know? Alright, and if you want to get rude, it's up to you to away.
Rude? Well, we don't know why that might turn out to be.
Let's go! I'm ready. You know what I mean? Come on.
Tell her, phone a burn up. What? Every minute somebody mention me. Me see your phone, me see you go on, you kick up views.
Take a long bad man, me not lie.
And you know, so if I tell you the truth. Oh, you did there. I will we there when the song build up. Fire creative, fire phone that one. Yeah. Fire said, don't open your mouth. Yeah. Don't open your mouth. For all of the fans them when they like open their mouth. And you know over there so they have the fans them where can open their mouth.
Yeah. And one thing though with a girl, you're determined, you know long. You write song and song that when I get a bus here. I rate you.
How long do me the music?
I must say a long time, you know. You write song from primary.
Boomba. So I know say I'm a real Gina dog. Even me remember say so long me do music, you know. Yo, hold on. You know say somebody a link me to that. Yeah, cut.
So careful on the road. Alright?
Yeah, man.
Be nice.
Yeah. Same to me.
Come on. Peace out. Boy, that man have to come here every night. You can't
You
make
can't
rest.
stand the talk about she. I wish I did me one man to come for every night.
No one knows that she's safe still, doesn't me?
But the girl is well alright. I worry about the wrong
Cause
thing.
she's street smart, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I said some more. I want with it.
So do not go to party tonight?
No, sir. We're staying home.
Right now, me wrong. I have no money.
We're broke.
Why? If you have money with that sponsor, I will have no. But now money, I know. Well, you can check yourself on that picture road still, so later.
Alright, yeah, man.
Yeah, take care.
Cool.
Boy, we need to do better, you know. Everybody's
Yeah,
on
man.
the road and we just there, so.
Not true. We don't must see house, Lily.
I through school have way, man.
I don't like. Free time soon come, man. Know yourself. Understand?
I know, I feel like me I go give one professor where look me a link.
Yeah, at least you have an option.
I want to ask you if you don't know coursework.
Look at this one here. I said, come in and ask about coursework.
Coursework.
Every minute not talk about man. How about man, so?
So I'm to you, Kira. You not have no man. You come and talk about coursework. You not no man.
We can't go and talk. My main focus right now at college. Man can stay for last when time I done college and get my Toyota RAV4 and something.
They're not perfect, you know. But you know, so we need them at times. We need a little cuddling. Somebody to take we out, bring us presents and gifts and make we feel special. Oh, yeah, talk about girl. And when you're down and your man call and tell you something nice, you know that feel good.
And
No
if
way
I'm
I talk
money.
about. Worst thing I tell us is to get some money.
She don't understand, you know. Yes,
What
man.
do you?
Send me to college. Phone, man pay. Little apartment, yeah. Man still help me pay that. When you're lonely. Why you like start out in pleasure? What you are going to do? Talk, man, talk.
I mean, no, she not have a tie. So tell me something. Suppose when you left school, right? And you get a degree. And you still not get a job. And you can't put out, you can't nothing for yourself. What you are going to do? You are going to need backy TV, you are going to need backup. And the only backup is man unless you are going to take woman. Talk to me.
Well, I see one nice cute guy from his school and he say like me. I don't know if I like him so, but I think I'll give him a chance and see what I want.
Give man a chance.
Yeah, man, give man a chance and make him take your virginity.
Just make sure so when you start, you have your protection. Always have a condom.
You know, so sometimes I really want to know if it's true. Make sure so I don't make no mistake, you know.
We don't make you make no mistake. Are we have your front?
Oi! Me a come there. Yeah, David.
You know, say iPhone charger me come borrow though. Cause me wake up this morning and realize that my charger now work.
You can give one. You know what I mean? You can make sure me get it right now for you.
So my friend Ashley, she not there.
Yo, I don't even hear about the name there right now, you know. Hold on. One second.
Yo,
Give me brother, where I going?
look one thing more you do for me today. No man, I know what me I send you man, I just want you to carry me. But drop me off on our wedding.
Yeah man, yeah. Drop it down, sir. No problem, man. Me a forward now. Yeah? Alright, cool. Here I go. Let me go for each other first. Look, I'm have to run on the road, yeah?
Alright.
Don't
yeah.
move on it.
Yeah, man. Respect, yeah. wonder what they have. I call Ashley and find out what I want. Because phone battery are dead too, you know. Now it sound like your phone are ringing on this. So. Girl! Sorry, I see the girl.
Yeah, Mom.
No,
Are you call me?
Yes. Yeah, sit down. How you feel, man?
Boy, I not even know which part to start tell her from. By the way, how you here? How you know say me and my man in a thing?
Just a come for over your yard. I see them go borrow your charger because you lend me this and I know say no film charger. Because I never see me with iPhone charger. I ask him for you. You want to see the face and give me, you know say man there dirty dog though.
And I really him do nothing still, you know. But I want a long story. I will leave to it. But next time when I see him, tell him, I just stress out.
What you say? But it sound like a big things are going on the man. Like you hide things from me, you know, so we live.
No, man. Nothing like that. I not hide nothing from you, girl. I just stress out. You know, one day I'm crab up.
Oh.
But I'm going to make you know what I go on. I go down here, yeah.
Make
You're
sure
good
you know.
now.
Yeah, man, me good man. If I not, you know, say I always can talk to me.
You're going to know everything.
You sure say yes, sir?
Yeah, man, alright, just someone, alright, just
Oh. So, how you say you do love her, sir?
You know, say, I want my brethren link me for come video and wedding film. So, hold on. When me say wedding, your face look so?
You remember Ashley? For me, girl? And the reason I say girl right now because I can't believe she don't do that to me. Brother, the girl, no, give me bun with one brethren who I know personally. But at the party when I see her, you know what I mean? And to me, it better somebody when tell me about it than me have to see it for myself. Don't in a man throat. You know what I mean?
Sorry, I don't mean to laugh, but I don't in a throat part can I get me. But really and truly on a serious note, me never expect that from Ashley still. But what should they know?
Show up a yard there, brother.
Where you just say?
Try with a girl there.
Show up your yard. Jaja. Alright, so hold on. Me think say done left her after she cheat. But big man thing. What you plan for?
Why, brother, for real, you know, hear what going on. Me wanna think about for work it out, you know. But which part of the reach right now, brother? I can't do it because you see how I feel, how the girl, I feel seen, say, you know, she do it and not tell him and tell the story about it. I feel for you, mash her down. You know what I mean? I lick down all the youth and thing. But based on what I go on, at 3 days, I give it come out of the place, you know. But it's still their yard still, but connection, you know, 8 years, you know. 8 years, brother. That I promise.
Alright, you are one, brother. Not do nothing too rush. Zane, just take a deep breath and just think about everything what you gotta do. Because I know say rough, you know. You see me? See I know how with me I gotta do. So people still get married. So at least there is still hope. You see me? So just do the right thing. If you have to let her go. And just no rushing or nothing. If you find a new girl, you find a new girl. But I go match up this and now and just see if you can come pick me up later though, Zane. Alright, so if anything look more there, Zane. You take out there, Zane, yeah.
Are you see there? Alright. You know, saying I'm no sense, me try to communicate with you. And the thing is, you're going like a you for vex. And me for vexing and me to feel a way about the whole situation. Why this don't make no sense?
We can't deal with it like this. You understand? I can't talk to you in this state. You me know say me wrong. No say me wrong. But you're going like say you're perfect. Nobody not perfect. I don't like how you did a deal with situation in there, so that's why I come out and say me a breeze out.
Past that stage a long time, you know. Past that stage a long time. You know what I mean? Cause I guess I know. You see the stage over there right now is like a broken glass. Can't mend up. Can't me personally don't have that time there. El finito, we just done. Can't work out certain way. You understand? And when you see me walk out here, so come talk to you. I talk to you because I'm if you know say yo. You have to just take your things and go on. You know what I mean? Because you can't work.
What you mean me have to pack up and leave? Baby, when me I go stay? Yeah, me know something wrong.
Let me tell you this. When you do what you do, you never think about where you go stay afterwards. You never think about the other thing.
I know something wrong and everything, but me not have, you have to give me some time or something.
No time no there. I be a skeleton there right now. So guess what now? You see, what me see with my eyes, seeing, I know somebody come tell me, you know. I know somebody come and miss you with my eyes. So guess what you have to do? You have to understand. Alright, here I go. Me I give you 3 days. 3 days. 3 days me I give you. 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 days. And after 3 days, you better find someone. So today, my time now. The time start now, you know.
Baby, 3 days. 3 days. 3 days can't work. Me are there for 8 years now. Look for me when me attack me. 3 days. 3 days can't work. 3 are dead. By the way, me are there for 8 years now. And by rights, me supposed to all have shares in everything.
You're lucky me I give you 3 days and now me put you out. You talk about shares. Share what? Only thing we share was a plate of food. You know what I mean? Because I guess you know, 8 years and you fit do that to me. You don't think about the flip side of the situation. You are going. Do what you want to do, you know. Because me I tell you have to go.
If me go down to the lawyer right now or anywhere, them can tell you by rights. You have to give me more time or have some sympathy. Me and you together. It's like you don't have no
you know,
heart.
If you want to reach a police, make it reach a police. What you have to do, you have to do. Enjoy your day. You start now.
What did this idiot waste money? Hey, you must feel like a psycho. A wrong girl this year. By the way, anything where you say, you just go on.
Father God guide me, you know. Because I guess right now, you see a girl that talk or kind of something. I don't want to do not know what I'm not supposed to do, you know. Make sure take her things out of the place.
You know, say me all a grown me too. Because any other boy they dash me thing them out the door. A war, you know. Any boy dash me sit them out the door.
Welcome people, it's your girl Finger Kira and I also want to get over every channel, yes. But the entire video I got it over my channel, which is Kira TV. Also the link I got it down in the description box below. So go over there, go check out the entire video. Subscribe to every channel, subscribe to Kira TV for more exciting and nice short films. Bye.
Why wonder Papa got some misery, man? Yo, Papa, forward there.
Why, man?
There, why free now? Why you come from up here some misery, man?
Why? I don't know. I was telling my friend. You know, some woman pissed me off, though. 3 months. No sex. Nothing. Not what I could choke. I mean, I want to go out there and cheat. That makes it worse.
Why? Why rough your fault, boy? I have to give him some Spanish fly, my boy.
You know, come to think of it. Me need penetrate by the Spanish fly, no boy. That's a good idea. But wait, come to think of it, though. Me go use it. Me not go do it in time to stop. Because, you know, that's something make me and bad. So, I want to do it naturally.
Boy, Papa, I'm telling you something, man. You have to go back some blend up, man, and put the Spanish fly in them, man, and make him drink him, and make him in emotion, man. Because I know the thing we work, man. Because I know the woman, they want it hard, you know. That's why I know it makes you feel up, you know. You have to give her hard, man. You see me? You have to get her hard, is it? You have to do your thing official, you see me?
You know, say right. Me I go home right now, go give it a try. Since I just say hard. Big up yourself. Alright. Well, roots up here now, you know. Oh, alright. See you tonight. Alright.
So, Papa, how will they see a miserable? To you?
God no. I tell you the truth, Slim, I don't know where to start. Trust me. I would wish if I could help you right now. I don't know where to start.
And I'm here to help. I can't bother with the miserable vibes, man. Don't miserable yourself when you're around me. Sure. But for real, you can start from the beginning and tell me how I go.
Tell you the truth right now, Slim. I just some pum one, tell you. The one of them in yard right now. No matter how I try to touch him, my box off me and he not give me nothing right now. Blow balls me out to have you now. You man not give me nothing. Me I want to be a man.
Really?
Right.
Really?
Enough.
That make you dare some miserable yourself? So really, what really happened up a yard with your mama? Make she not give enough.
Right now, you know, Slim. But I say the same thing because you are a woman because every minute me want something from her, me I touch her, she a box me from her hand, we put on clothes from her, she get up. It's like she lock shop on me and open shop on the next man. I don't know how she change and turn the other way around. So it's something or something.
Yeah, that really a go on? I not give her no money, you know? Or you not provide the service them properly? Cause that no sound right.
Stamina is not the problem as far as I can see. But, enough of she. Enough of she. Me get over she the pan I you know. Differently, what about you? I couldn't get some.
No man, Papa. Nothing can go on here, so. You don't know so me have a man already. But for real, I wonder if something specific she want and you not give her.
I can't want me to think you are talking about mama. You can't talk about that right now in my head. I can't that. Explain yourself, please. I can't understand. Explain what you are trying to say me now. Yeah.
That one, so man. You can't freak out through me tell you that. You know the normal things where man them do nowadays.
What you just say a while ago? Eh? What you just say? Them the thing they don't ramp with. You only thing to go for my plate of food they cook. She have to keep that to herself. If you want me to be friend, don't mention that to me, please. Don't mention it. You know that? Mr. Mutt not so strong. You do it again, man. Say something different.
Where you going so far? And now man something them there nowadays. And that's why your woman not sponsor you. Now you're going so far. You hear them a sing song go lick lick. Now man something them there. And not if you try.
Try what? Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Me I come from my yard because you now lead me to straight. You and your lick and what you want to talk about on TV can stay one place because me now go down that road. Right.
Watch him. Go on in your yard, man. And not found out do it behind closed door and I go on like say you not do nothing. All you probably do it too. Go on, man. Go on in your yard. Right.
Hello, subscribe. Yeah, you guys subscribe? Please subscribe. Please, please, please subscribe. Please. If you subscribe, You get a lot of video every day. If you don't subscribe, subscribe now. Leave a like, leave a share. Subscribe, tell me that you share, and I will respect you and give you a thumbs up. Subscribe, I always watch your comment. No problem. Welcome to Jamaica, where the crime rates are high. Subscribe.
And action.
Right now, Slim, your woman, are you wishing that they ask me, because if every minute me I touch her, she a box off me hand. It's like she lock shop on me and open shop on another woman. What the f*** me I say?
And action.
Something what? What are trying to tell me? Say something with a blow or this.
Action.
Subscribe, yeah? Comment, like, share. Candy, tell them what you're sitting
here.
Tell them what you're sitting here.
You go on like you know and then go over to Akeem Lawrence channel.
And them there.
Them
subscribe.
Who did they already? Go and go tell who no did they. Go and subscribe to Akeem Lawrence channel right now. Who don't know say Akeem run things. See? Bless up on yourself. Please go over to Candy Empress channel and subscribe. And Reality JA.
Right away.
Public channel.
Public with a K.
Yes.
Don't forget that.
Okay.
Candy, boy, man, tell us that today was such a hard day. So I feel I drink coffee for revive myself, cause yo, too much energy used up there, but I still have my energy for you, man. Don't worry yourself. Everything go alright for later on. You know what I mean?
I saw you go on, man. Always tell me about later. And you save up energy for me. Save up energy for me? Every time you tell me say I save up energy for me, by later, me lie down in the bed, not even 2 minutes, you drop asleep. I don't understand how I go on.
Babe, remember this now. We are living in the human race. So who first come, win. You understand? Yeah. Now time for half an hour, 45 minutes. That I when at 13, left that today. The young shooters out there, you know, the shotters, aka shotters, you know what I mean? A long time we do it thing, you know what I mean? Enjoy it too. And you better glad to me come quick, because some people can't come none at all. You know what I mean?
You say energy, you know? I never me. I don't say nothing about no energy. Babes, you know say a time for we step up with the family thing there.
Family thing?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, my family, I don't understand what you're talking about. Explain more. I'm gonna get what you say.
I want one baby now.
What you say? Baby? I'm a rock stone.
And you are all out. Time for you give me one baby now, man. I don't understand. How I go on?
In that demo time, yeah. That's a whole long business right now, yeah? If me want pitney, I would invest so much in you. Look how much condom over top there, so. You see it? Condom and all these things, and the accoutrements and the birth controls and all these trolls and all these things. No, ma'am. No, right now. Alright, you are going. I'm not going to break your hopes, because I understand you have, you know, you have your intentions, you have your dreams. But guess what happened now? No. Give me 10 more years.
10 more years? I don't understand. How am I going to wait 10 more years? I don't even know if 10 more years from this me still can have one pitney. And what's going on with you? Something wrong with you and you won't tell me? You keep secret from me? You need to let me know. Because if something wrong with you, maybe carry a doctor.
What? Something wrong with me? You can't look on me? Hey, mama, when me turn up, you know. You know what I mean? When me step in. When me spit out. You never know how I go. I mean run things. You know what I mean? But guess what now? I am trying to let you understand that. I'm not ready for that right now. Because we need to fly out. We need to you know what I mean? Instead of here try to find who we gonna left Jim Brown or who say whatever you gonna call the baby name to or with. We can use a money that jar we say a little bit. Alright. Since at 10 you have a problem with 8 more years. See? And then we can
alright kid. Rain and come down. You didn't take up the clothes then?
Yeah man! Rain and fire. Of course we take up the clothes them. The clothes them take up. You know what I mean? Alright, look on it now. If baby when they are right now, you feel so we can they are cool out and watch the rain? Eh? Just think about that. Right now, I don't tell you something I don't want to run, you know. And nobody please say something to me because everybody I work properly. You understand? So understand this, it's not just about that, it's about
babe. No miss why problem. You feel say if we have one child together, you're not gonna explore no more. You're not gonna enjoy yourself, you can't go nowhere, you can't this, you can't that. Nothing no go so. Because we can enjoy ourselves watching the child grow up together. It's nice when you watch a picnic grow up, you know. You teach them right from wrong and make them know the truth from wrong things. You understand? Yeah. So I don't understand how you want just stay so.
Argument done, you know, lock off that there, lock off that sound that can play so. See? Because me there so now I just want me to just enjoy the moment. And at that you bring come naga. What the fuck, you are going? Me have a cool out run so you know. So go and do your thing, yeah? Because I can't understand what cool out what you're saying. You want to come more here?
What you idiot? Go on out in the rain.
Alright.
When you're sick, make sure you say no come in with no flu and no contaminate me because I'm doing business with you.
And that you say? You're right.
Lucky. That's why I don't forget picnic when you're not sick and them big then can help you. Know. Look for you too. Now wait for you.
So you don't know say, go down this over there go buy a pound of flour in one shop. Everything raised up, you know mommy?
Yeah man, everything raised up. Sometimes I go down there to buy me go and left and come home here. You go to buy 2 items and the price where you get. Me so give up shop still you know. You can't go in it too long. Cause it's like me hungry I throw one pad and say money you put in, you take out the back same way. You rough me boss. So if you can't manage it,
so you know mommy, but you know say you can't give up the shop still, that's all them things they run, you see me?
Can't give up.
Every dollar count still, you know?
Can't give up. Really. Glad me have not support me still, give thanks, you hear?
Oh yes man, sometimes you give me something though.
I'm going to give me heart. What you say?
Yeah, man.
Doing good. Navi, service.
Yeah.
Service up round here, say, you know?
Yeah, anytime.
Oh, yeah, me. Hey, give me one Pepsi, I say to my stomach, answer, cause...
No, so cold enough, but you can't drink.
Yeah, man, it's good, man. Them thing we deal with. Can't deal with the icy sitting, you know.
So I'll go and check long time in the see any place, you know, where you deal with?
I'm there easy, no, brother. Just take a stroll and beat a one Pepsi second my stomach, you know what I mean? Cause... I'm there raising with mama a while ago. She talk about picnic them in a dinner time. You know what I mean? Alright, Navi, I have Pepsi now. The Pepsi price done raised from last month.
Yeah man, price done raise up man. But then she that there still you know. But I try to support me all along. You know?
Everything done raised, brother. And then she gonna talk about picnic in a dinner days.
I understand what you're saying now. But you can't watch that, you see me? Because the youth don't want to come. You see me, you get no youth yet?
No sir, I'm not getting no youth yet. But yo, brother, I run down things. Yo, me a young brother, you know. You know what I mean? I run that down. That will come, man. Time did it for that, you know what I mean? Right now I just want to enjoy myself and, you know what I mean? Just see what life has.
I understand. Well, some of us say we are way upon time, you know, brother, and when the time run out now, we all stay stand and look around some people with all them family. Feel all the way, you see me? You know, I gonna need a youth them to come take care of you. You know them really?
Yeah man, that's something I want, you know what I mean? That's something I deal with things because, yo, time now wait for no man still, you know. But at the end of the day, I still have to, hold on, I still have to deal with that. Hold on. Yeah, Richie?
Yo. Me there man, me there. Where you there? Alright, good. Here what you do for me? Me have one line bill when I want pay. Yeah man, just pay for me. I will miss you.
Oh yeah man, I can deal with you man. Yeah man, I can start it. Don't worry yourself. How much? Alright, me pay bill man, don't worry. Alright, bless myself man. Cool. Right. Yeah. General, you are going there now. You have to cut out you know. See? So bless myself. Yes sir. Yo, a long time in the see you. What you doing there, sir?
What you mean? Alright, up there some live. Me live up there for around 5 years now.
Yeah? Wait a sec. What period there, sir? That means you have to do some catch up, you know. But all your time still during the day. Like, you know, you're free, you know, what time? What time you free?
You know, say though, I work from home. So during the week, I'm busy, but on the weekend I'm free. But you don't have a girlfriend?
No, I don't have a girlfriend. I don't have a girlfriend, man. So wait a sec. Weekend you're free, we can link up. Cause next weekend will be perfect for me.
Yeah, man. I'm supposed to free next weekend, you know. Next weekend can work.
Alright, here we go. You see, next weekend, 7 p.m, Rex Cafe. Oh, that's all.
Yeah, man. No problem. You know, so I look forward to it.
Alright, you see, that sounds like a date. I'm gonna just make you put your number in a this phone, yeah? You know what I mean?
Alright.
And then link up. Now let's start again and know yourself. Just have to take my time. So care. Link up. Here.
Alright.
So up road there, say that.
Yeah, up road there.
So later we talk, here.
Alright.
Girl, ain't gone no long. All me talk to him about is that we need a child. And he start kick up in antics and gone it in mad self about him gone a road. So, he gone, me no busy with him. Make him go on, he should have wait up in a rain and catch cold. Make him come back and say nothing to me. I'm lucky.
The man right for you. You know see how time hard. Where do baby in them time ya? Or if him no want breed you, go back one next one breed you.
You know, it's not make no sense sometimes we say something to some kind of people we take for a friend. I can't believe say you just said that to me. Really? Girl, so you don't want to pick me?
Of course I want pick me. But me wait until my financially stable me breed. Oh, me breed now. I'm a broke. Me can't find food now.
You come like you have some problem or something, you know. You know what? I come get up and go on my yard. Sir, me did come over.
What one can be?
I'm there, man. You good?
Yeah, man.
Man, I just left me a little, you know. Alright. So you link, yeah?
Alright. How go on, babe? You know, say, Candy man just over shop. I thought about she pressure him for baby and then something.
You know what I say? I said things she over here so that then she come and talk, say. Me no business with her. It look like she don't realize how things are run out time hard.
Jano Star, you know, so I'm not even feel for going to my yard tonight, yeah. Can't take the vibes down on the yard, you know. Sure, that's what I'm going to say. The man trying to save your skirt, yeah, alright?
Hello?
Boy, I'm not calling it too fast, you know.
No, you're not coming too fast. Oh, you want to come over? Alright, you can come, man. Yeah, me there lonely too.
You feel the same way? My God, alright, here we are going. I don't know if I can pass through, because I'm up on the road, I don't really, you know, I don't know what to do, but to just come check you. That the mood I'm in right now. Come? Alright. What color house?
I want white house. Yeah, I want a grill paint white too. It's not hard to find, man, you can't find it. Alright, man, we'll point you.
Alright. Now follow right now, here? Right now. Alright, babe. Cool. Yeah, come. Alright.
Come like this, man, and now come in yard. How about this, man? this a man and I want a baby now. I wonder what I could do to change his mind. No man, it might take long to come. I go call him. I go call him.
General. How go on, man? I have no condom.
No, I say I don't say none of there know my father.
None of there?
None of there my father.
Alright, you know what? Respect my manners. Yes, sir.
Alright, that's alright.
You know, it's a long time ago. Alright. Alright, nothing wrong if you take a one chance, you know. Long time ago.
I'm coming! Hi! See, if you're not busy later, I'd like if you could come over again, because I have something extra special for you.
I see the pair phone, I didn't even realize I'm concerned. I said even far for me. Anyways, you think me not see the man who come out of your house this morning? Tell me what go on, because I know you not have no man. Where you get man from? Talk up.
I saw you watch out my business. Make you see man come over my yard. Girl, I want to look a friend for a long time and come over there where they just busy at talk, because a long time I don't see where catch up and thing.
Virgin Mary that baby boy. You think me born yesterday? I know say una there in there do things. Una did there in there do things. You think my born big like so not true?
Alright, me I go tell you what go on. You see? I'm looking for a friend and me did it last night and me just lonely and bored and he called me and said he must come over. I just say, alright, come over. And he come and greet him at the door and thing. And we did there and him touch me and I get excited and I just split the pineapple and make him put the banana in there. Girl, me not tell a lie. Be nice. Girl, you know have it in a waist alone, you have it in a face too.
Yes, girl, you go on. So girl, I feel your man or what? I need to know, you know. Because if I feel a personal man, when I see him on the road with a girl, I have to go say something. But if I don't hear a man and I see him on the road with a girl, I know I have to squat my leg up ass and go one side. I hear a man or what?
Girl, to be honest, I don't know where we stand yet because we never see each other for a long while and we just see each other. Oh, and yesterday, and we just decided to link up and thing. But me here saying I'm a girlfriend still. But me just go on and see where things go.
Alright, you can't go down anyways. I like mix up my come here because you know I'm ever done in a hair business.
Alright, me girl, text me when I reach done. Okay.
Yeah. Alright, yes, my people, they are back a yard. What? Oh, no clock, sorry. One thing I'm going to know. In the name of Jesus, please. You see this channel? Me I tell you, this channel, a whole heap of content I got to put it right away. Just subscribe. Look down below. You see, if the color red not change it to grey for me, please. That's all me I beg you. Please, and share it. If you don't want to watch, just share it, subscribe and leave it. Please, but watch. Cause you're not gonna miss the threesome if you don't watch. Big threesome. Yeah, hurry up, go get some now.
Now I go and to clock up on. I don't call the police, no worry this.
What one? Can't be such an early morning war. What one, man?
Elder, I saw two you there were rob me, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, man, they were good also. Drugs, yo, hide there some man. Hide in that, lock up, brother. Come here.
Silent. Don't say it.
Man, you never say, the man run to Jamaica, brother. Yo, I see past being in a put here, make him man run the field. Yo, drop off for me, bad man. You want me do? You want me general?
I go on soldiers. Pick up myself, man.
Yeah, man.
So man, they look clean and fresh like a
yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yo, here what I go on.
Oh, this is
you see one youth pass now, aqua shot.
No, so I don't see them on the pass, your brother. You know, say from there, two of you first time on this pass, that's a brother. Swear from the life, brother. The man no pass, yeah. Unless them gone to the front. Because 3 way, you know, so you must come also.
So if you see me, that tell way?
How you mean, man? Like I sit in the like 2 man on the floor and I'm not so clean. I must something wrong, boy, doing, man. What color shirt is him now again, brother?
Aqua color, man. They color like a similar to sky blue.
Yeah. So as long as in the Negril beach, we will see him. This is Negril, nobody can hide. That one the robber now.
You know, say boy style of thing though. But you know, say
what's saying again?
One aqua color shirt, man, similar to sky blue.
Oh yeah. Bring back my memory, no brother. You know, say me see a youth gone up the beach there. That man they could have reached all up on Alfred and up on the beach there. You know. Without car to white guy, because this is Negril. The man touch the beach already.
Alright, here now, respect here.
Yes, brother. So your brother like come tell me, man, God, you can't leave a thing man. And it's small.
Yeah, let's tell me.
Yeah, man, it's a small, man.
I'm going to hold the boy today. Yo, we here, hold on for this. You see, yes, anyhow, we find him.
Yeah.
We are come back on circle and get it better.
I'll be right at someone, right now, Negril Beach.
Come on, G, because we don't no time.
Boy, God, man. Respect, man.
You alright?
Sure, yeah.
You know somebody well wants to see you for true. Because me have a little woman, I go down a dream the other day. And she had tell me, say she buy one phone for you. And she has said police come there. And you know, I question her about the phone, say a thief in phone. So I want to know, you're not thief in phone business?
Me auntie,
You know my business staying straight already. You know say for a long time they not too like me. So then we say anything. But my business them straight up front. So I don't know nothing
Make
about
sure you're not in a hit. Because Jean tell me and I feel your name call. And you know so they don't like you already. So they may hug your basket to carry water. Me talk to you all the while, you know. The last time, remember me talk to you about the partner and you waste your money? This time, make sure. I mean, I tell
So
you
like
again.
you believe them so auntie, I not like that. Not all like that. Right now, we just need if you just pray for me. Right now I run me have to run because I have a little business to take care of.
By the way, the last time we see a church I went there in Christian you. No make that happen. You see this month here, we have family month. So I want you to come to church Sunday morning. Right? You come with me. And I make sure I call you and you come to church Sunday morning. Because we have a special speaker. It's a youth, young man like you coming to speak. I mean, no, you don't want to miss that. Alright?
I'm not going to promise you say I come to church this Sunday or this Monday. But I'm going to make effort to try come. A long time, you have to tell me about church for ever since. I can't remember when last I come to church.
Make sure you put out the effort to come. No joke about it. Because you see your grandmother never raised you like that. She's a good Christian lady. But ever since she died and gone, it's like you lose. And I don't know you're that little young man. You have so much more in you. And I really believe in our son. But you know you have to be careful in a time like this. So alright then, you take care and me pray for you. Alright, remember me love you.
You love it too, auntie,
Alright,
man.
take care.
You know how to survive already.
Yes, man. Alright.
Alright, later.
Yes.
Yeah, man. How to get this phone right now? And if you have no contact. See it.
How this a call me? Hello? Yeah, man, I sell an iPhone. Them.
45 grand, I know say yo mother like fi buy. You still have it?
Yes, me have more in stock, you know. The location and Negril. You don't know Negril? I hear now. If I reach a Negril and come and run about, you can't last. Just call me and me come job. Of course me have it, man. Me have whole heap in a stock. You have the money?
Yeah, man, me have the money, man.
As long as you have the money. You sure say you have the money?
You come and ask me again if me have the money. Me have the money, father.
Location and Negril. You can't last. When you come and Negril and come on your roundabout. When you reach night town, me will come and check you.
Alright.
Baby, yo, should deal with the food for me, you know. Come home.
Every day this time when I dip on phone with you.
So call about.
Oh, go on.
Bad man, I'm tell you.
Oh, go on.
So your man spam phone you. I'm tell you.
Yo, bro G, may I ask some question, bro G?
How you always girl ever chat? What's glad? I know say something like this here coming in, bro.
Boy, I'm going now.
We are the pan road, you tell us if you don't come pan road.
Mommy,
You lock up the place?
You know, man, you lock up the place, man. You never see me the place and now lock it. That's why something important, man.
You see, if you have some puppy show, we are do the kerchief on your head. How much time you tell us if you stop dressing? You just have to take up people's attitude and start dressing way.
Mommy, you don't know anything, mommy. You sound hot and sick. You understand?
Anyway, what you want to talk to me about?
You remember you promised me something from last year for my birthday? Yeah, man, a little money, man. So, yeah, I hit me and ask if I could have get it right.
So, what you want the money for do now?
Mommy, I know, I say I want a phone more and buy.
So, what your phone your auntie sent come give you the other day?
Mommy, if phone I have, mommy, you don't know, say, you know, that 100. And I like, so I'm not grateful, you know, I'm grateful to Auntie Karen, you know, but if phone, another phone there. I mean, I don't know if anything, my young boy and my hot boy. Look on your phone. You know, 100 is not even a camera. I can't take too bad picture of it and something. I don't know, say, my hot boy.
Matter of fact, take off your summer off your head. Take off your summer off your head and line up yourself good. A matter of fact, go on down. Because I don't know how nowadays you pick up this hype man thing. This young boy nowadays thing wanna have pants for body, kerchief tie around head. Now you're gonna tell me say you want new hype phone. Not even know where you know what to say to you. Because right now you piss me off. You don't know how things expensive and every day you just want to get up and have this new thing, new this. And I take up this new style with these young people. Right now you're not even going good at school. Nothing not going for you. Your grades drop, everything for you drop. Because what? You want to live this life thing. You're not going to work out, you know. You're not going to work out because honestly, if you send your guys to school, you think it's easy. You know, easy. You see how hard me have your work. And your father not give me nothing. Your father not give me no money. I know you're going to come talk about you want a new phone. Huh? After your auntie send you a phone, you're going to talk about you want a new phone because your camera not good and this and that. Mr. Right, you know, my youth. It makes sense you're going down, you know. It makes sense you're going down. You hear me, I tell you? Makes sense you're going down. But you're going to talk about you want a phone. Hype phone. Because you're a young boy, you're a hype boy on the street, but you want a new phone. A matter of fact, come see around so I'm going to use the bathroom and come back. Eh? You know how much you think, you know how much you want a phone? That's about you want a new phone and you just get one phone the other day. We still send a person, I want to tell them to go state and go use the bathroom.
The phone me did have the other day. Yes, one big phone. Girl, me tell us that me go down to one store go buy the phone. After me go in the store, I see the nice phone, you know, and me go book so to look boy to get the money. And me go buy the phone. Me had good one day. I take selfie, because you know me love take my selfie. Yeah, girl. And girl, me say me go snap, you know, because the day in the night I did one party and me excited, you know, girl, and ready to go to the party, you know, with the brand new phone. Yeah. When me look, no police come on me yard. Me know me heart a beat out of my chest, girl. Me don't know what police are doing me yard.
Mommy, you can't get one of them juice, please.
No, come go on now. And a matter of fact, don't let back the yard. No left the yard for the rest of the day. And I may you have nothing. Me say no left back the yard. You hear me, I tell you?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright.
Alright, love you.
Love you too.
He ma go make me know say a thief in phone the man sell me.
Lord Jesus Christ.
After the man collect so much money, you know, girl.
Me tell us if you buy the phone a day now.
But girl, what if I did the same thing?
Jesus Christ.
No, say me Dave not go on no yard. Link stunner.
Hello. Good evening. No, some know about 14 more the iPhone 15 them. Yeah. No, no, there's still one in stock. Okay. Yeah.
Boy, son, not tea, man. Yo, stand alive. Look like nobody in there, man. Yo! Stand up! Boy, nobody in there. Boy, hard I hear you still doing it. Kid dog have somebody in there, man. Stand up! Yo, boy, I pray, man. You see me I shout you hard I hearing, man.
There, man, just put on some clothes to touch your road.
Go open up this now, man.
You up in, man, just move the chair.
Oh, yo, me dey even see it, you know. That no start.
I meant to know, I pray. If you have them, you want about 5. Because then I will see like an iPhone. Give me a minute, so call you. Give me about 5 minutes.
Yo, me see me call them, man. Yo, you not even know what go on. That's why I'll come up here say no. Yo, fly get up and come in now.
See all the youth, I want general, you know. Forward, man, get up, man.
Yeah, how you say? I walk. I wear man set all the padlock. Yeah, me tell you what go on. You not go believe.
I never have some $1,000 in my box. Don't send me to buy nothing. No. I could never Anthony go in my money a while ago. I could never Anthony go in my money a while ago. No, you wait until me go down me and him deal with. Seriously? Me want pity tea from me?
Boy, so I did, man. Like a day I go up on a quick move, man.
Yeah, man.
Boy, I say, oh, I have to check your car. Boy, I get to a deal, it's too sweet for they even tell you, you see me?
What kind of deal? A car deal or what?
Boy, you don't say I want a phone deal, cousin.
One of them bad Samsung there?
No, man, iPhone, man. I don't say iPhone I ain't thing now, man.
You don't even know what go on.
Yeah,
Yo,
tell me, man.
me see me call them, you know.
Yeah, Gina, man. That's how you go on.
Yo, here what go on. Here what go on. You know, so last night, I on hands. I want to spray and bread. I say, show out thing here. So I look so, brother. Some kid I want to play some. I stay so. I stay so now. You see me? I say, yo, how are you up to? When I look, I see man show out. 2 cases of red stripe. I see your man comes up. Why do you want to spot me? I say, I did they said we, I mean, I see nothing. I feel like off all the phone. That's why I see you call me first time. I feel like off all the phone. I look, I see man. 2 Heineken. 2 red stripe. Dragon light beer. So I say, where am I get them there? I look. I run the man running at some people place, brother. Watch your man come so. I make around 10 trip. 2 in my hand, you know. Say, alright. Go on, watch him, because I know say after I call him trip there. Him can't move, like, you know. Look, me see him cut. Go over there, brother. I'm come so. I pay empty buckle, man.
So the man was selling buckle, boy.
I don't film them.
Film them now?
I film them now.
So, yo, different from the store there. But you tell them say I get it from there. Like, I call it for you now.
I hear now. I just show a little thing they go on, you know. But I make it reach an idea. Because right now, I have an iPhone. I want to go sell.
Yeah, bro. What kind of iPhone?
Yeah, man, iPhone 14, man. Good deal, you know. You know how much man get you for? 45,000, you know.
15, max or irregular 15?
Irregular 15, man.
45,000. That's like a some backdoor thing, yo.
But boy, I can't make this a deal too sweet. This a deal sweeter than Nestle.
You have to be careful now, man, because you know, that's how they chop for my sister on Instagram. You know what I'm doing?
Instagram, I sell the iPhone 14. 14 Pro, yeah, brother.
Bro, if you top there and sit there, bro, General Star. So when I start from pencil and sharp, not to phone. Oh.
They talk to me.
I chat that phone there still.
You say like I chop?
Yeah, I trust that now. So I wait with that idea with on Instagram or...
Look on this no man, see thing no. See a legit thing.
Boy, look too good to be true. Well, not because you see that means say real no. Man can't just put up a phone and say rain. I see some man never sell one car. Axio for 750 and you know say Axio them go for like 1.3. You know that a rip off the same way, is it?
Okay, they're good, but that phone they look on you and say Chris.
Yeah, but a man can just put up a phone and say, alright, wait.
But me I tell you, say you're a smart boy in the street, no boy can't do anything.
You think then still, can I work out for you if I get you any digit, is it?
Yo, we are come through for you today, you know.
Yeah, man, I believe it, man.
As we chop the piece of food, and we are come call it.
Alright, sir.
I know, say, I'm not too far from where me I do piece of business, you know. Yeah, man.
When you say all the business, you know, man.
We are come through, man. We are come through.
Cool life, man. Believe me, man. You no go so, man. No go so, man. Me love Brother, you, me man. brother.
They say old man crutch.
Brother.
Listen to me.
Alright, watch you know. Since morning, my big woman look about caramel porridge to me. With bombard, Excelsior crackers on the side. Alright, now me I better me mama just come off her phone. And watch you know. I tell me I'm gonna deal with some bombard steam fish run down for me, brother. I'm telling my youth.
I know if you want up there, though.
Probably up there sleeping, even come out of bed yet.
Me I tell you that right now, like me have to get one of the old one.
No dog, I know way you much, I know probably like young one them, but I know every big woman stay same, you know.
Like what you say now forward, you know, cousin. You can't bother, you know, man, I have to go shoot grass, because I can't make that the deal they go left me, isn't it?
For real. That's a good deal. I have to work really just careful and make sure I phone where you see them as you know, old phone or a phone where battery not good or you know the way they.
Oh yeah, I talk to man, I don't know, so you street smart and something, man. Anyways,
yeah, man,
but you keep shut, that's it.
Let's
You
go.
get that? Yeah, man. Get the phone you know.
You know, say them a young girl nowadays. Nah, buy you nothing. Nowadays, my big woman buy more bombard. Order it from for bombard, Amazon, ship come to Jamaica, yeah. England, me I tell you about, brother. Me not talk about no knocks or no knock-off business. You see me?
See, pray, man.
Yeah, man, you have to get yourself a big woman to take care of me. No young girl not take care of you so bad, man.
You know, say true, dog. Because enough of them young girls can cook and even want to grow on the stove with my father. God no. So sometimes you see all the big woman them. Yeah, dog, that's my right thing for true, my friend.
Which number this? You know the number, yeah? Hello? How this? Oh, that sound like a such man. Such man. You play that. Fear boy, man. You don't know who me at. Yo. You know, see me there on the ends door. Where you there on? Alright, do it down. Me there on my ground and waiting up, bro. Alright, my general.
$45,000, you know.
45,000. I have to be careful now, man, because you know, I saw them chat my sister on Instagram now.
Eh? Oh, yeah, I see.
Yeah, man.
Go on.
You know, say me and the man go on a piece of work because we say we want 2 phones. You see me? And you know, say, boom, the phone there really. You see me? There, yeah, man, and we get them. That man, they have them. I know what man go do.
Where you going?
Go give woman the phone, my friend. And before, and I make money. You see me?
Foolishness that's
but man, right now, I'm going to lift up.
He never dismayed, so I can't say
right
nothing.
Right now, I'm going to lift up, my friend, because I believe, you see me?
Yeah,
I believe in my father.
You're right, man. Now I just want one office spliff and just want wait for the G till he reach, isn't it? That's the right.
You know for me style.
Alright, me there, man.
Alright.
Me there, man.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm a G.
Reach. I mean, man, I wonder say, yo, where I do so long round this up.
I know I say I run I back me there do.
Alright, straight in our business. Me not even itch. Here what I go on now. I say me come call link you. Me have a nigga me say, tell him say up on Instagram. So now sell him one iPhone 14 Pro. You don't know a place, you have the money upon him. You see me? So right now I hate to want to take off him. So here I know. You're going to town. I want to go in town as a man up on the ground. You don't know a place you can easily spot him out. A simple thing that you don't supposed to take him more than 5 minutes. You take off the food off him. You give a piece of food outside. Because I know a few things set, you see me? But I know say you have a youth.
Boy, so sweet, you know, my boy. But watch out now. I really don't want to go fast crime when I time them, so I go down in the town. I go there in the town if you say so. Give me a link.
That's no problem. As you link me, I give you a link. You see a word, you know.
I'm a general.
Later on, you know. Yeah. Yo, General. I wish part you there.
Place one against one ATM, you see me? 45,000, you know.
45,000. I have to be careful now, man, because I saw them chat my sister on Instagram now.
Me now want black shot, you see me? Yeah, easy to spot out, man. Me now want black shot. Oh, you're not reaching out on it.
Alright, here now. Give me 5 minutes. Soon come.
5 minutes. Alright, that maybe now wait for the phone, so yeah. Make sure you have your phone, you know, man. Alright, I have you that more here. Alright. Alright, so now say a word then. Alright, cool. Alright, what?
Come on, don't move, man. Come on, Bulby, man. Answer your phone, man.
Babes, give me a minute there. Yeah, the general called me, social there. Yo, my G. Come on. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, man, step on the car and I'm going to roll out now.
In the ATM, now I'm black shot. That's how you feel there, you know?
Yeah, man.
I'm soon forward.
Yeah.
Yes, my general. I say black shirt in here now.
You reach already? Oh. I'm black shirt, man. Yeah. I'm black shirt against the ATM.
black shirt at 8 p.m. I don't see nobody in a black shirt. Talk about this agenda. I don't know what, I don't to understand what I'm going on. I don't even want to pick up your phone, you know. What you want? Yo, my G. You tell me someone out there in a black shirt. Listen, a black shirt. You wear these short. You did shout him back after you shot me. Yeah, you out here, man, and I know black shot me see, you know. No, brother. You have a style match I style, you know. What you think what you do? What you say? Link him. Yo, dog, I move off in the youth. What you say what you do? Bring a forward. Go on, my G. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You know, say, the boy run off, though. Come like a bolt, brother, to Bombay, man. Fast, see? Even though a dog turn. How are you there? Yo, come give me a link now. I look for you, boy, man. Because I like you, boy, have money to, you know, but, you know, me general. Because I want to run, so. Man, I run your frig. Alright. I still go on patrol till I forward now, because we have to book him today, you know. We have to find him, you know. I want the money right now. My daughter down there hungry, you know. Oh.
Good evening, man.
Good evening.
I wish part here, so which part am I there? Because I don't know a place in my new year.
Okay, you're in the grill. You're in the cross market in the grill.
Alright, thank you, thank you.
Yeah, you make it thing obvious, make your man.
My youth.
You sure see over here, so you run, you come. My youth, I have to over here, so your man come, bro. I can't stretching done so fast. I'm not when him done the stretch. I'm not so fast. I have to over here and come.
Brother, the same thing you tell me, you know, brother. Yeah, brother. So what you do, you know, like how you do know a place and see which part you can go to get it clear right now.
Alright, here I don't, you go on. You go so, and you go so. Because we want a piece of food there, and until we want it.
Why the man war?
I go on to clock up part. I will call the police, no worry. I go on. Can't be such an early morning war. I go on, man.
Elder, I saw you, two you there who rob me, you know?
Yeah. Yeah, man, they work with also. Jokes, yo, hide your son, man. Hide me, lock up, brother. Come here.
Man, run off left me, oh. Come here, man, run left you.
No, silent. Don't say it.
Man, escape you. Bad man, you never say, you man run to Jamaica, brother. Yo, I see past me now, you put here, make you man run left you. Yo, drop off for me, bad man. You want me do? You want me general?
I go on soldiers. Pick up myself, man.
Yeah, man.
So, man, they look clean and fresh like a
Yeah,
man.
man. Yeah, man. Yo, here what go on, my general. You see one youth pass now, aqua cola shot.
No, sir, I don't see them on the pass, your brother. You know, sir, from the day two of you first come on this pass, that's a brother. Swear upon my life, brother. No man no pass here, unless them gone to the front. Because 3 way, you know, so you know, must come also.
So if you see me, that tell way?
How you mean, man? I like I sitting in the like 2 man and 4 and I'm not so clean. I must something wrong with boy doing, no, man. What color shirt is him now again, brother?
Aqua color, man. They call it like a similar to sky blue.
Yeah. So as long as in the Negril beach, we will see him. This is Negril, nobody can hide. That one the robber now.
You know, say boy style thing though. But you know, say
what's saying again?
Aqua color shirt, man, similar to sky blue.
Oh, yeah. Bring back my memory, no, brother. You know, say me see a youth gone up the beach there. That man they could have reached all up Alfred and up on the beach there, you know. We have got 2 white girls, because this is Negril. The man touch the beach here, really.
Alright, here now. Respect, here.
Yes, brother. So your brother, like, come tell me, man, God. You can't live a thing, man. And it's small.
Yeah, let's see me.
Yeah, man, really small, man.
I'm going to boy today. Yo, here, hold on for this. You see, anyhow, we find him.
Yeah.
We are come back on circle and get it better.
Right just someone, right on Negril Beach.
Come on, Jika, we not no time.
There's so much fun, so I can't get comfortable. Check my phone case.
Yo, Parry. Yo, come on, you brother, they ain't gone now. Yeah, man, you know some mechanic boys, they don't take off everything off of them. So, brother, it's like when we can't, you know, look at you.
I see you.
Respect, man, respect. Yo, go some MC card.
So, I can get taxi.
What you mean, man? You can get a taxi right now at home.
Alright, bless him.
Man, I see you, long life.
A dream. Man. Oh, Jesus. What a dream.
Yes, you're rude. I'm not wearing no. Get in that color.
Oi, so we all out my name so far, what me I know?
Me don't ask you if you have going night town.
Yeah, me I go down in night town, but me I finish wash out them here. Them here so, and then when I'm done, me go down there, walk my way one.
Not true, me do you want you buy something for me?
So where you get money from?
I the money I'm save up from school.
So hold on there. So you dress up so like you go somewhere. Make sure no plan your plan for the yard, no little girl. Just try make sure, you know. I'm not want to bring nobody out of a place, you know. And that may I tell you. Right?
Because me not understand, you just interested to find out if me are the yard and when then you just dress up so like you go somewhere. If you ever left the yard today, mark it 10, just know where you go get when you come back in. You hear me I tell you? I'm come back off the road and you know something. And I'm come see nobody in my yard and you know something. I'm tired of talking.
I'm not going nowhere. I just dress up in the yard. Everything you just a cuss. So.
If you like, give me something to talk about and cuss every day about. Mona just a cuss, I get up a cuss like my mad, so.
But mommy, me simply ask you something I come take out a problem them for me.
It's alright. You go and talk, you're free to talk, you hear? That may I tell you.
Me simply ask you if you go somewhere come where you buy something for me. I come go. So, I'm going to tell you when to come. It is either I call you or text you when to come. You can't come. Alright? Love you too. Odien! Oh, you're there!
Chanel!
Yeah?
Come here then. Alright, I'm going to town now. So, I want you to cut the clothes off the line for me here. And take out the chicken for out for me. Hey, and make sure you don't left the yard, you know. Make sure you don't come out the yard, you know. Because if you ever come out the yard and broke your neck in today, you hear me say?
Yeah.
Where do you say you want tonight town again? Where do you say you want?
I don't want nothing. That good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright. So I go and soon come. I have to take out the something for me and take out the chicken till I come back, alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hello? You can't come now. Alright.
You're not happy that? Happy here they go.
Yeah, man, I don't have them here and go.
Oh.
So she not long there?
Yeah, she down there. I like how you live good. I not live far out. Want to keep up that. I like that about you. A long time when I come, you know. You understand? You especially, I just like you because I hear your name and mix up in a bag of man and them something there. You understand what I say? And that's a good girl. Them kind of friend them want my daughter to have. You understand what I say?
Yeah, man. She come like a sister to me. Real channel, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I like that. This when I go down there, tell her if you take out the chicken, remember if you take out the chicken and take out the clothes off the line. Here. Alright, I want to be able to save it till I come back. Alright? Later.
Send me some sexy pictures, I mean, show me what I come get, you know? And I'm about the foolishness, you know? If people they just go in and bathroom and take some pictures. I want some sexy picture right now.
I just see your mother up the road. She said she go in her town, sir. I'm supposed to go in her town, you know. I never know say you stop by. So like you have plans. So like you have somewhere to go. But anyways, your mother said remember you have to take out some out of the fridge and take out the clothes them off the line. So where you go? Girl, I tell you say they told me I go deal with something. And by the way, which plans you have talk about? Everybody just watch me so. And me alone can't go do nothing. Excuse me, and I don't food now so we can eat.
I'm going to cook girls, man. Long time I see you.
Long time I see you too.
Yeah, boy. Oh, you good?
Yes, brother.
Alright, good man.
Long time I see you.
I'm glad to see you still.
So much clothes you find there. You have to go wait little because my friend there, I never know if she should stop by. But I'm not that fat still. She loves sleeping, so I'm going to give her something for she sleep. And, you know.
It sounds like I can't see one can't see it for me.
Friend, I stop by. I never know if she should stop by. And that go on, man.
Alright. As soon as you drop a seat, you call me, yeah?
Chanel! 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 Shall I call me? Chanel! Yeah! Chanel! Yeah! We are coming so for somebody there? But take out the clothes them, cause the time like it set up like rain and go fall and then dry. Yeah, guani. I should allow the lawyer. I should have left them, make them wet up and make your mother come broke you. You come and go on. I know you are come talk about. You see because sun and sun hot and talk about rain and go fall. But they're nice, man. Key, me have more on there now, so look at juice here. I'm not hungry, but the patty tastes extra nice. Come on, extra the hair around you. So now carry the juice. Carry the juice when I have to drink it. Sun draws me up and little clothes and I take up and I want to sleep. Did I use the sun not hot? I told the time they look overcast. I want to sleep. the out of the front. You have to hurry up and come because I don't want my friend to wake up and she doesn't sit at the house. So hurry now. Dirty boy, she want to go read. Mwana, bola bola no. Mwana, fama da eva no bina.
I see you with the dirty boy again. I hope you use condom. How are you talking about, Abby? After I go do nothing, I'm going to town, I go. You hear me? I want you. The man that can't give nothing. Remember say you're underage than a big old man that. Girl, remember me I want you and a workless man that. Him workless.
Me I come go in here because you can't go and chat and believe what you want to believe. Because me I tell you some girl and told me not go do nothing.
She done broke up in blouse and skirt. I'm going to help her because she's not here. I take me for idiot. You come here and call me and you know so she's not there. How for this?
I must see the boy that made this up at the gate last night. I must them drop it out there.
No, you know. No, you see you look a girl that dull so when nobody talk to you. You might think I like me, like it when me I tell her this, but me I tell her for your own good. I say your mother have it all the day already. Me I tell her say just do what you have to do and you not even listen to me. Give me this.
But watch ya, give me something man. You're gonna have for me and for your money by it.
Me a real job.
up my TV. Even though no one gonna get me 30,000 to fix up my TV, but I want it back, you know. Because the TV around there, so I'm my little fun and enjoyment. That to hear me I say, as a matter of fact, I want to fight for. One could have worked, but I long now come and apart. I want now. Hey, wait there. I hope no man on in here war boy, you know. Cause you look a pitney. I know say he's very prime. Come hey, I don't know you know, but when I find my 30,000 fix my TV, you know. What are they really? So really, I be a shadow, what really a fight? Because I can't afford she's not war over and mash up on my TV. What really a fight over? You ain't talk to me.
You want me tell her what happened? You want me to tell her what happened? Or you want to tell her what happened? You don't matter want to talk about this. You don't hurt me right now, you know. I'm going to lay down.
Somebody what really go on? You have to plan to tell me what really happened.
When you know what going on, yeah? Sometimes I'm empty.
Alright, I saw the ticket I go. Fly high, fly low, mark it down 10 in here. When I have to go find back that 30,000 and fix back my TV. You don't think my TV I go so? Because I know I must pull shit to now war over. Remember me tell you no that. You hear? Remember me tell you no that. Because I know I pull shit to now war over and mash up my TV by the enjoyment. You know, man? Fly high, fly low, not forget about that.
Hello? Sorry for the fight. Really can't make this much of a friendship. Remember, so we're friends from a long time. Understand that, girl. Anyways, I have something to talk to you about. Yeah, if I always think, man, not have to whisper. Yeah, and out there can come. Alright. Alright. No, I know. No, someone wanted. I want that now. I'm pregnant. Yeah, breed? Yeah. After the same dirty boy me that one about? Yes, him same one. I tell about him, you know? I tell about him. So your mother know about this? My mother can know about him. Remember say me young. My mother can't know about this. So what you plan to do? Keep it or dash it away? Me I keep it. I don't have no money for dash away pitney, so you feel like you're ready for one pitney? I'm not ready for nothing because right now I'm now work. And if my mother find out about the situation, you know what I'm doing. The best advice I can give after that shit right now. I don't have no money, I give me some money. I don't have any. Or you go to your mother and tell her the situation and see what she can do. Because I say my mother can't know about this. I now work, plus, girl, my mother can't. So what you going to do? You don't know the man that and police can lock you up or lock him up because you're underage. Right now, I'm confused. I don't know what to do. And I know I did that one about the boy. I tell you.
babes, wagwan. But then, you know, miss me. Yeah, I miss you too. Hey, you don't even know I miss you, baby. Can't stop think about you. Yeah. You know, don't know, man. You know, say me now a little spot though, I don't know if you can give me a little helping hand, you know. Yeah, I don't know some TV mash up. I don't know where to find the first dollar, you know, for buy back one. Yeah. But 120,000 feet, man. Even half you can make me up with. Yeah. Yeah, man, send it to Western Union, man. Remember, say you can't send it to me because they block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you gonna do, I send you the information. Yeah, alright. And then you will just send your information to me. Yeah. So we can deal with alright then. So yeah, babes. Yeah. So yeah, say I plan to travel. Yes, I mean, we can't wait for you to come. But you wanna be able to go push down your date a little bit further down the certain month. Because you don't know, say my time of the month, you know. Yeah. I know, man, I know. Just go and hold it, baby, because I hold out too. You see it? Alright. Yeah, man, thanks. Hey. 120,000 pity not even know this. Hey, some get extra. Chanel! Chanel! How are you, girl, man? I don't tell her the yard.
Hello? May I come from mother, yeah? Remember if I talk to her about the situation, if I'm not on, she plan to put you out, you can come stay with me.
How are you today? You know you're not me a call you, I'm not tell you say this left yard. Eh? Much time tell her left yard. Anyway, my friend there with me, they go down I was doing and I collect a little food for me.
Should I know this, sir?
Me I want you link her because I have a piece of money more she go collect for me, you see?
Alright. Hello? How are that then now? I'm fixing it. Alright. Alright.
You get tired?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm going to wait for her then. So wait till I'm to you, you know. Ain't nothing, no. So I wait to look on my phone and as me I come. How? I'm gonna text up on phone. Well, as a matter of fact, give me the phone and let me see night. Mister, give me your phone, man. Give me it. Hey, pull the phone, pull the phone.
See, the money that do not own.
You need that do nothing, no? Wait. It's alright, I must find out what you're up to, you know, I must find out you hear me. You say any day, name day, I find out say a man you have little girl, let me tell you this. You might go straight to prison, that me I tell you. Hey, me don't even talk. You say if you ever breed na this girl, me tell you something, your grand people, them have whole heap of land you go and farm. I got a tongue go sell bag juice, because you're not staying here with it. And that me I tell you. You know what? As a matter of fact, go on and go find something for doing in that house. No! And I make me talk twice. You must think so me an idiot. You think me a fool, you think me born big. I say the day and day I find out say a man you have in this year. Right through the door you go. I woulda. How are you? Come in out there, son, man. Now go right back and run her back. Throw her back there, be something. Now call her come back here.
I smell. Hello? So me I call you from the other day, I nah get you. From me I have sex, me I call you nah answer you for me nah get you. I want me. But anyways, me have something to tell you. I'm pregnant. Hello? Hello? So really hang up the dirty boy hang up on me? So that something me a do.
So how you man run yourself on the phone? So how you love ends up by yourself on the phone? Now what interest you on the phone so?
No, me have something just check on the phone.
You know, something I check on the phone. Something I check all the mind things say me an idiot. All your little mind things say me an idiot. Anyway, your friend round the saw wait for you all long. So here what? See paper the information. We're gonna call it the something 160,000, not $1 less, not a cent less. And I'm wait too long. You hear me I tell you go on and come back.
So girl, I said nothing to your mother yet about it. Girl, not for me to tell her say me a breed. My mother say if me a breed, she put me out and girl, I can't tell my mother. But girl, I can't keep this for long. I can't keep that secret here for long. I say your belly I go show you know. Mother don't say girl, come like you want my mother to hear. You stand there. You look at me. Anyway, take it to I go find her. But anyways, I was telling her mother, do you want to go now? I mean, I'm going to have to change my dress. I'm going to change back this and put on my dress. Girl, I don't know nobody saying I go breed. They done breed already. So it's either you tell her mother or me tell her.
Ladies, ready? Good?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. I have to tell her. Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother. Cause when I tell him the boy make me nearly fall out. I mean I know you gonna have sex without condom, girl. What kind of style then there? Tell her if you dash your boy and the boy not call you from your breed. Girl, if me had the money for dash it away, I dash it away. Girl, right now I'm just confused at the moment. I'm confused. You like a money are the problem, but yeah, I have a little style, but it's very risky. You can't make you not have no more penny for the rest of your life, so here, I'm not here. Just come to me. Alright girl, come and show me. Girl, I feel like something for taking my money to deal with something. Deal with what? The pregnancy for that show the belly. Girl, I'm mad. Mama say me I collect money in my information is collect the money in your mother that cost me out. But just to ask, anyways, I'm gonna find another solution. Cause I just ask me to ask. But girl, you know you could have never ask that. Anyway, that is a stupid question.
I'm not gonna do this one.
Dean! Yo, Dean!
Yo!
Huh? Sure.
Dada. John.
Yo, today you tell me, my youth. No bother with that, no bother with that, Today you tell me,
Dada. Yo, John, brother. I feel like a grown thing now, brother. You know? Well, yeah, we're gonna look emergency roll up, you see me? Alright now. Now on a live cash permanent fund. You see what I say? But yeah, what go on? I know if you can just give me a little bit more time, you see me? Because my girl for deal with something for me today, you see me? So I can make her get some money, you see me? But up until that time, I tell you honestly, I have no money for me, Dada.
Brother, I every day store this, you know. I today I want the money, you know. I today, you know. Yo, and a later. Just a later. It's alright. It's a different ball game. I look upon if later come and I get my money still. You know? Yeah, my youth, I take you as a bridging. I take you as a bridging. You decide say yo you can pay back by X time. And all now. Brother, me I warn you. Brother, me I warn you.
Yeah, for going so still no cause, you see me? I do not tell you say my girl are forwarding today, you see me, with some funds, you see me? Just a little bit more time me ask for, you see me? I don't know if you go on so dog, I mean to me about more me business dog. Watch nothing man, I start out the business man, you see me? You know me not style them with them, a long time me your friend.
Yeah, I hear you know. But I just how you deal with things, you know, brother. Brother, you could have deal with this better than that, you know. You say you know I'm loud up and you don't want people to hear your business, but if you don't deal with this thing, you would have to reach us. Brother, you're a big man, you know. I can't believe you do me this. Me apart from school days. Me there with you. Brother, you don't need to go around me. But you don't say a woman come at X time. So, I'm going to see you deal with it today. Then we are going to know how we can separate the boys from the men.
Yeah, man, I understand.
Don't give me your word. Well, you give me your words over and over. But this time, I take it as the last. My youth. I make it reach no further. I make it reach no further. When I have to turn this in a different ball game. To be forewarned is to be forearmed. So what you want me to do? You want me to wait or what? Because you don't tell me say a woman are coming.
I know say I'm a busy man still now. You see me? I don't say if nothing probably have things to do in a day. So if you have nothing to mash up, you can mash it up and give me back a link still.
Cut your bullshit! Come talk about...
Brother, no bullshit dog. I tell you, dog. I'm not going this time around, dog. You see me? Because I know say a long time, you see me? You link me and can't afford for you to link me constantly, you see me, without me have a thing prepared, dog. So now watch nothing, I get a thing sorted out, dog. You see me? Just give me, as I say, give me a little bit more time. I say if you have something to sort out, just start it out and just give me back a link. You see me? I'm going to go
today
right, so I'm not going to
that's how I remind you. Today at the day. So if you know say you go around me, you know, just know it go. Here we go on. I'll link you back in 15 minutes. And when I come back, I want not talking. So, deal.
Yo, in 15 minutes, dog? Brother, we can't scratch me in 15 minutes, brother. Yeah, you man, see, just give me an hour or two, brother.
Just give me an hour or two, brother. We start out a thing, man. But 15 minutes, brother, come on, man. Me even spit a gun, it never reach in a 15 minutes, dad. Daddy, come on, man.
Alright. You say an hour or two. You say it, you know. I'm going to give you time. Because it look like you dig your own grave. Now worry yourself. 2 hour time.
I did this, you know. But... Yeah. Yeah, B. Hey, boy. Boy, some food in the bar. You know some more? Yeah, B. You think you can give me a link in idea? Yeah, man. Give me a link in idea, man. Isn't it? I want to chat to you. See if we can reach him. Yeah, man. Alright, then. I don't know what you mean. Well, since I say never come when time the mango did in. You see me I say? Just 1 and 2 left now still, but I have 2 in the can give still now ready to move. You know?
Come in like mommy, you know. It's a story the mango them say when man got done out. I know. Remind me of mommy.
That's that, man. But no, don't worry yourself, man. Everything will go alright, man.
You know, we have a little situation.
What about?
Alright, brother. If you even know me, I have a situation and I have a surgery to go deep.
Where's this sis? Surgery?
Yeah, brother, surgery.
For what? What happened to you?
Don't know.
Man, talk to me, man. It's all like you don't even want to say what you want to say to me. Talk to me, man. What you say?
Brother, same thing happened to mommy, man. Same thing.
Sis, you serious? You serious? Right now, a joke you tell me right now. Yeah, you tell me foolishness, sis.
Never sleep last night.
A joke you make, sis. Right now, this sound like one curse the power as a family. Oh, sis, yo, sis. What go on? Where are you doing? Oh, some man just run for you. The money thing there, did you get the money? Oh, I never get none, John. Yo, don't watch nothing still, man. Don't watch nothing, man. Nah, man, you don't have to worry about that, man. You see me? I sort out something, man. Just little time, you know? I sort out something. I make something reach you, man. I'm one sister, man. I don't have nothing to you, you see me? Yeah, man, no watch that. Everything all good. Alright. How much that? Alright.
Alright. Yeah, but remember say you can't send it to me because them block me. Yeah. So my daughter have a little friend there where I'm gonna make she collect it for me. Yeah, man. So you make a do I send you the information. Yeah, alright. And then
Ladies, where are they? Good? Where are they, sis? Everything good with you? You girl there. What that?
remember to pay your mother the money. Yeah, now go down, go change and come.
Yo. I know how this still know, but I tell you what I'm going. I know if you collect in some funds, you know. You don't worry about all this man. I say I know I need to know. I just need to work out, me tell you how to work. Now here what I got, I know if you get in some money, you know. So here I go do. I want you left 100 grand in a brown paper bag right up at the column. So I say, I'm serious them way the man you got dead.
Alright. Now go get the money and put it at a spot there so you can get it.
Alright then. That sound yeah. You see me?
Do not tell my mother.
You know watch that man. Me hold my end of the bargain. Yeah.
People come as fast as me could want.
You know, you know what I'm saying? That piece of money they really want to borrow for you because kind of like a spot, you see me? I know you stay.
So you could have said that over my phone. Eh? How much money you want so?
You know what I'm saying? Yo, it's a 50 grand. I look for borrow.
50? What me forget 50 grand? What me forget 50 grand? You know, what may I do? What kind of work you see me I do?
B, I know you just asked me how much money I want for borrow, B. I'm tell you say I want 50. Yo. Matter of fact, forget it here, man. Me find out the deals. Everything good.
We try. You think me just have $50,000 put on, sir?
No, so that's not about never.
We try.
You don't make me know so you ask me how much and then I make you know how much is in and then you move a type of way, isn't it?
But differently not be, you know, so I think of some sort out you want, you can call me. Well, come up here in the mood and thing, you know, if you find out the money.
Yeah, easy still no. I'm still kind of stressed out in the day and I can't try it.
So no, that's why you should have linked me, man. Release some stress.
What the fuck coming?
You're dead! You're dead!
Yo! Yo, that's man, come across me. No. Yo, Dan, here we go on. You know, so I left the money up at Column in the creases. Here we go on, man, no, don't think say I fool me, I fool around this time around, you see me? I don't fool me, I fool you. I just run come did something, so I just touch it off, you see me? So here we go on, just go up on the column, look between the creases of the wall, and see if you see a thing, brother.
But that sound like some joke thing you take this on. Like you don't understand how we are dealing with it. How? We deal with it too good. Like you fly past all your nests now. Yo, which color you talk about?
You know there's enough time me hang out the brother. So you know which color me. I only color me really hang out, so you know me I talk about. I just stop going so daddy. I mean I tell you, I not send upon a wild ghost chase.
You could have mad.
I tell you say the column. You see me? We just have something to deal with it and we couldn't bother to stay up the road and wait. You see me? We can't even explain what something we have reach me now, brother. You see me? A whole heap of stress me right now, you see me? I'm gonna make sure I sort out your thing because that one just want off my brain. So I say just go easy, man. You see me? You know, if you bother with the one bag of loud nice, brother, and something, brother, you see me? Here we go. See there? The 2 phone them. I'm a car key. 2 phone I'm a car key. Hold them. Go up on the column now and go search and see if you don't see it. And if you don't see it, you can just hold on upon them there and go sell them or do what you want to do with them. But make sure so when you find the money, you just bring back my thing, them come give me.
I wonder where money there. Could I swear say put the money underneath the mattress to backside. But you know to my head because sometimes let me take out the money and not even remember to buy. No sir. Remember to buy. No sir. I wonder if we put it in this book. No sir. No women the money.
You sound like it. You sound like it. Cause here now, mark the words. Now write it down. 10. 10 you not there. And sell them. So you decide. You could have mad. You could have crazy. You could have sick. Yo, I'll link you back in a few.
Say put the money under the mattress. What about not come about me and Chanel there? After Chanel give me money, I put it on there. You know, say I'm going to ask Chanel. I say I'm going to ask Chanel. I'm going to say
Like I eat this man take man for now. No brown paper bag no there, sir.
I know so I could have swear Mr. Chanel come for another little corner left for me the money under the mattress. You know, so I could have a little girl I got to take out my money from underneath the something. Hold on there. Watch me and I'll blouse and skirt and now. Chanel! Chanel, where my money there? Look at girl, my money there. You don't know for my money. Where you say you don't do it? You better say I'm murder you know this. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Where my money there? Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my girl, me say my money there. You don't know for my money there. Hey, me, you don't know about my money there. Shut up. Hey, where my money there? Hey, where my money there?
No, you need. No, the car. She's pregnant.
Where you say? Wait, you know what? I know you're dead too. Where you say you do? Wait, what she say you do? What me I saw? Breathe out. Why you have to breathe? Wait, backward.
Morning people, hope you like the movie. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. And hit the post notification.
Talk to the people them. You know you have to talk to the people.
Look in the camera. You can't put on me, but nobody ever knows that.
Anyways, people, Felicia, yeah.
Anyways, people, Felicia Cooper here. More big up AV. And want to know if you like, subscribe, and share.
What you mean? What you mean? What you say, my general? Tell the people what they know.
You see, straight to this. I don't know a thing, isn't it? Jamaica, big up yourself, you don't know a thing. Like, subscribe, share. Isn't it? Big up my mother, big up my father, isn't it? Big up the whole Atkins of family. You don't know Mumpella the place, isn't it? Tell you that right now, big up the whole Mumpella gang. Isn't it? Ease yourself, no man. Big up AV, big up Akeem, big up Akeem, you have to big up yourself, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. So big up my brother and sister, them seeing you, Mika, Richie. You know the thing, guys, you know?
I don't know, no look out for me, just put in some work, I put it together. When I see me next in the episode, you see me? I make you laugh till next year then time. I hear that Ojo, the 1 Savior and 1G. For Instagram, I go send out my sneakers business. When I check out for the body Air Jordan, the body Retro 23, them gonna look
alright, yeah, ain't take too much of the stuff, you know about that?
And action. And action.
Well, pause it, record. Mister, give me your phone, man. Give me it. Hey, pull the phone. Pull the phone.
See, them neither do nothing.
You neither do nothing, no? Wait. It's alright. I must find out what you're up to. You know, I must find out what I'm going here. I must. You just wait.
Action.
Start a challenge.
Action.
Girl, you idiot. Don't tell my mother. If my mother find out about this, my mother go kill me. You want me? Me tell you so she'll go on the veranda with me? Yeah, idiot girl. Me not no money for that show the belly. Do not tell my mother. Me not tell my mother. Me don't see her. No, me can't say me don't see her.
Action. Action.
Yo, brother. Yo, go on, no? You know, so you must run.
When I want.
It's like that.
And action. Check some more, man. Take a little more time, man. Check.
Don't see she asleep.
Yeah, check a little more, man.
Ready?
And action. Action.
You know, say a long time I not get no sort out and thing. And every 2 days my nature call. So, I would want that.
I want that, man.
Yes, people, Board Grand once more. I'll tell you if you check into AVTV. You don't know. Over yesterday. Yeah, man. In the east. Yeah, more you see what I go on because I put in the work and I tell you, trust me, the thing them hot. You know, I don't know how to do best. Go over there, go subscribe, like, comment, share. You wear the pen pound. You don't know. Your boy, Board Grant. Stay tuned. Up.
Action. No, don't the same.
Don't sir?
Again. And action. Action.
The spit?
Mm-hmm.
But then I'm more.
Yes, hopefully you can make it this far in the video but can talk to you. So yes people, hope you enjoy the little movie there. And if you don't make it this far and not subscribe it, come on, it only makes sense you subscribe. Me keep you here this long, eh? Well, all of we keep you here this long. So go ahead and subscribe, like the video, share it with somebody else, make them get some entertainment. You see me? So, yep. And if you tell no one you can look forward to, well, you don't know this channel, you get the whole works. Short films, a vlog, everything, you see me? But for the people who just strictly want to see movie anytime them get a post notification, check the pinned comments, or the first comment you will see, will lead you to a channel that I'll only upload movies over there. So definitely go and subscribe to that channel. Over here, short films, vlog, the whole works, because I don't know, me is a camera lover. Now I left my camera, we're married till death do us part, you see me? So, yeah, music videos, weddings, short films, movies, the whole works. As long as it's video, I'm in. So, thank you as always for the support. Thank you for follow me so long. Blur it not from police days. Big up on yourself, manners and respect. And Laro shall see you very, very soon. Oh, Jano. One day, I feel big up nobody when I not big up. Yo, big up everybody. Little more. Big up on yourself.